Genesis G90 assembly begins. Watch the front grille appear, the face of Korean luxury engineering. Grille locks into position. The wireframe body establishes the G90's aerodynamic silhouette. 5 hexagonal headlight modules orbit into place. Each houses advanced MLA technology for precision lighting. The complete G90 body shell appears. 3-piece construction, using hot stamped steel for maximum rigidity. Engine bay highlighted. The long hood houses a twin-turbo V6, mounted low for a near-perfect 50-50 weight balance. Flat underbody cover reduces drag. Air channels guide flow smoothly from front splitter to rear diffuser. Genesis. The brand name materializes. Every G90 is hand-inspected at the Ulsan plant before leaving the line. Driver cabin revealed. Napa leather seats with 12-way power adjustment and integrated ventilation for all climates. Blueprint overlay complete. The G90 spans 5.2 meters, offering class-leading rear legroom for executive passengers. Aluminum crash beam installs directly behind the grille. It absorbs impact energy through a honeycomb internal structure. Honeycomb core revealed. Each hexagonal cell collapses progressively, converting kinetic energy into controlled deformation. Impact simulation. The beam compresses gradually. Force spreads across both rails, protecting the passenger cell effectively. Weight, just 3.2 kilograms. This beam meets both US NCAP and Euro NCAP 5-star requirements. 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 unveiled. 6 intake runners feed 375 horsepower to the rear-biased all-wheel drive system. Engine exploded. Firing order traced. Cylinders fire at 75-degree intervals for smooth power delivery. Direct fuel injection sprays at 3,000 psi. Spark ignites the mixture, pushing the piston down to turn the crankshaft. Peak torque arrives at just 1,300 RPM. That is 391 pound-feet, available almost from idle across the entire range. Twin-scroll turbochargers sit in the V between cylinder banks. Hot exhaust gases spin turbines at up to 150,000 RPM. Engine and 8-speed automatic transmission connect as one unit. The carbon fiber driveshaft reduces rotating mass significantly. The torque converter multiplies engine torque at launch. The stator redirects fluid flow for up to 2 times multiplication. Power flows rearward by default. Torque vectoring sends extra power to the outside wheel during cornering. Double wishbone front suspension. Aluminum arms reduce unsprung mass, improving both ride comfort and steering precision. Adaptive damper cutaway. A solenoid valve changes oil flow rate, adjusting stiffness in milliseconds based on road conditions. Preview suspension scans the road ahead. It pre-adjusts damping before wheels encounter bumps for a perfectly flat ride. 5-link rear suspension. Each link controls a specific wheel motion. Toe, camber, and caster remain independent under load. 14-inch front discs with 4-piston monoblock calipers. Cross-drilling improves heat dissipation during repeated hard stops. Hydraulic brake circuit traced. Master cylinder pressurizes fluid to all 4 calipers simultaneously for balanced stopping force. 12.3-inch digital cluster. 3 selectable themes: Classic, Sport, and Eco. Change graphics and driving information. Steer-by-wire system. No mechanical link to front wheels. Electric motors both turn wheels and generate realistic steering feedback. Rack-mounted actuator converts steering wheel signals into wheel movement. Variable ratio sharpens response at higher speeds. 12-way power driver seat. Adjustments include thigh extension, power bolsters, and 4-way lumbar for custom support. 23 speakers and 2,100 watts. The system includes ceiling-mounted speakers for 3-dimensional audio. Matrix LED headlights contain 96 individual micro-LEDs. They shape light around oncoming traffic automatically. Advanced high-strength steel chassis. Load paths direct crash energy around the passenger cell, which remains completely rigid. All systems active. Steering, suspension, lights, and drivetrain working together. This is the G90 in motion on screen. Electronic air suspension shown. Each wheel operates independently, raising or lowering the car by up to 2 centimeters. Complete systems overview in 60 seconds. Engine, transmission, suspension, brakes, steering, and interior all working as one. Disassembly starts. Hood, engine, and transmission separate. Each component floats to its service position for clarity. Interior components removed. Dashboard, steering wheel, seat, and audio system, all accessible for service demonstration. Exterior panels removed sequentially. Doors, hood, trunk, fenders, bumpers. Bare chassis reveals the skeleton underneath. Chassis alone remains. Central tunnel houses the drive shaft. Cross braces add torsional rigidity for precise handling. Real-world simulation. Active suspension levels, headlight swivel, torque shifts rearward during highway cruising. Key specifications: twin-turbo V6, all-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic, air suspension, and level 3 autonomy. 3 words define the Genesis G90: precision engineering, dynamic control, and uncompromised luxury. Assembly complete. Genesis G90 technical demonstration ends. Precision meets luxury, engineered without compromise. Thank you for watching.